Back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt Bell. I like to live a physically, mentally, and spiritually healthy lifestyle. And my goal with these videos is to help you all do the same and to make progress towards your goals. So if you've got a goal, leave me a comment and I'll make you a video telling you how to achieve it. Now I've got a cooking video for you today. We're in the kitchen, we're bulking. You can use this if you're cutting, just make a smaller portion. But it's clean, healthy. It's organic stuff, just 2 ingredients in it. It's animal based, so it's just animal products. You can make it carnivore if you'd like. You can cut the cheese, but you don't really need me to tell you how to eat ground beef, do you? So, it's real simple. I use an air fryer. If you want to make it in your oven, go ask ChatGPT how to do that. I don't know how, but I'm sure you can figure it out. And let's get into it. By the way, guys, I eat this every single day for lunch, so it can't be that bad. I like to eat the same thing every day for a long time, until I'm sick of it. It's usually mostly just ground beef. I put rice in there. I had to cut that carb out. No more grains. Bad for you, bad for your brain. Gonna slow you down. And this is the tastiest iteration I've had so far. So I hope you guys try it and I hope you like it. Here are the ingredients. I'll use one of these big packs of ground beef. About 1.5 kilo. One of these blocks of cheese is 400 grams, so I split it up into quarters. 100 grams makes 4 pieces. 2 pieces makes a serving for me. I like to switch up the flavor a little bit, get some marble in there, get some jalapeno, whatever. To switch it up, because if you're eating this every day like me, which you should be, that's 2,000 calories clean that are gonna help build good muscle, good fat if you want that, good everything, build a strong body that's gonna feel good to live in, even gonna help your brain better. So, you're gonna mix up a quarter of this with a quarter of cheese and salt, pepper, make a patty, wrap it up in tin foil, and we'll throw them in the air fryer. Wrap them up real tight. Preheat the fryer to 350 for a couple minutes. So it's ready to go. And give her 30 minutes. Oh, shoot. There we go. She's off. And I don't know if this looks good at all, but should be done by 30 minutes. Might be a little bit pink. If you're in the US, I think that's allowed. I think that's safe legally. If you're in Canada, I didn't tell you to do it, but I do it. Yeah, man. Here we are. If you did it right, tin foil's gonna keep all this fat in. That's great. That's where a lot of the calories are. That's good, high quality saturated fat. You're paying for that. You want to get that nutrients. Gonna help you build some testosterone and whatever else. Doesn't look great, but tastes a little bit better than it looks. You can put hot sauce in it if you'd like. I always have hot sauce on the side, just to add a little bit of something new to the texture. Makes you go down a little bit easier. Like I said, 1,000 calories per piece. I have 2,000 calories for lunch. That makes the bulk too easy, honestly. I get home, I have a quick meal, and I've already hit my calories without a struggle at all. So, try this out, or let me know how you eat your ground beef. Or maybe you just eat steak if you're rich. I have steak once a night, which is already quite costly, but it's worth it, boys. Get on the carnivore, get on animal-based, just cut out the grains, at least grains, sugar, chemicals, all that crap, and you're gonna feel way better. Good night.